In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Scroll all the way down and make sure that this switcher next to Show on Lock Screen is on. Then click Add Emergency Contacts and tap on all of those that you wish to add. When you finished, select Done at the bottom. As you can see, all of my selected contacts were successfully added. To remove one of them, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Delete. Click on the ones that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice by hitting Remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!